A very auspicious morning to all of you. I'm Swata. Today we are present at the Rice Kamal Spoken English Center taught by Mr. Vikram sir. Today we have a great topic about the impact of social media on society and human behavior. So guys, today we have two sides. One side is good and the other side is bad. So we are in the side of good and they are in the side of negative. So guys, let's start our discuss.
Okay, according to me, that impact of social media on the human behavior is too good because as just we can see in our society, the people they just can express anything in very simple way. In fact, according to a research that the social sites, whenever we used to write and we are just reading something, so in our human body, as the physically we are just getting many kinds of good effects. In fact, we will find that in Corona, like lockdown, most of the people they were feeling the loneliness. It was about the social distance, but people they were thinking that now from soul we are maintaining the distancing. So these kinds of things are true that people with the social media that they are far, but even they just can feel the connectivity. So according to me, that of course there is present many of the good impact on this human behavior.
But I think it badly affect on the human being and the society. Like you search on the Google, then you find that the depression cases are being increased day by day due to the social media, because many human beings and almost students are depend on the social media, and they caught the disease of depression, by which they take a step of suicide and many more, and many mentally in health is also present due to the social media and many more things are also present by which the human being mind is diverted by the social media. Many human beings used to see vulgar video and many more. So according to me, it is bad for the human being and society.
Okay, but I don't think whatever you are telling that is true, because nowadays we all are knowing that if we use more to any type of thing, then we are also addicted. So actually it is depend on you that how you are using. And second thing is that here we have lots of opportunity that we are nowadays, actually we had seen that there is a lockdown. That is the reason many people they are also packed in their home. But by the help of social media, they are also connected to each other. So I am thinking that the social media impact on the society is very good and it is also nice. Thank you.
Okay, but nowadays I think most of the youths and now generation are addicted with social media. They use these social media for misusing. Like they are using these social media sites for trolling someone. Okay, and sometimes you have already noticed that many people are cheated by the social media sites. So I think it is very bad for society, because if we see that anyone in need in help, at that time no one want to help that people. They using video, okay, they making video and they send it social site, so they can earn lots of likes. So it is very bad effect to the human behavior. It shows that how human being decrease their kindness, and they using this type of things for the making their famous. So it is bad for society.
Here I can't accept this point that social media creates a bad impact on the society as well as human behavior. Actually, now in this generation, where social media is only one platform and only one social by which we can develop ourselves as a society as well as country also. Now you can say that any type of incident is happening in the society. At that time, human beings are getting and youth generation students are getting the all types of information what is happening. So I'm thinking that if this types of this social media always spread this types of awareness among the society that what should we do and what shouldn't we do. Really, it's a very good effect on the society people when people are following the all types of instruction, all types of good discipline. What will be good for our society as well as country also. According to the data of India, second largest country where the internet users more than 600 millions are present. So here we can say the which types of expectations is present in the society. Especially I am thinking that it will be very beneficial for the youth generation as students. They are getting the all types of information. They are better skill development, better performance. I am thinking that they are attracting towards the social media. So I am thinking that it is a very good for the society. We are spending our life among the this type. So this many science equipments and many types of gadgets. So here the important thing is that without social media, how can we say that if any type of incident is happening in the society, how can we get this type of information? So I'm thinking that according to me, that always this social media always good and this always good impact on the social society as well as human behavior. Thank you.
I agree with that point. Like social media consume that type of information, news, and that they are giving us like recent news what happened in the society. But it's also true, as you had saying about the lockdown. In lockdown, we are separately, but we are not maintaining the social distance. But even we are connected. Is it by the social media
Speak
we
loudly.
can by the social media we can connect that person who can live far from us. But because of the social media, we are like making distance between that person who is nearest us. You can see in the society that most of the rituals happen in the like India, but in these rituals they are not focusing in the rituals. They are clicking selfies, they are posting photos. So this type of things are different mentality person. They are showing, they are changing their mentality. They also want to be famous, not they are want to spend time with the family members, with the society. Like for example, if any person's nowadays youth has too much busy of the social sites like Facebook, WhatsApp. They have lots of friends in the Facebook, but they have no friends in reality because they feel hesitate to face anyone. So if we are meeting any person, if we are talk personally, in that case we are developing our personality. But if we are talking with the Facebook, if we are chatting, if we are watching the videos and learning something, so it is different things. We are not developing as a socially, we can say we are not developing our personality. But if we are going in schools, meeting teachers, so it is a different case. So that's why social media impact on the human behavior especially is not good, as my opinion. And also in the society, you can assume like as my team member Rina they has also mentioned, if any accident happened that no one want to help, they want to be famous. If any person donating any types of things to the poor beggars person, so they firstly click selfie. For what? For become famous. So this type of mentality come from the social media. We should think firstly about humanity, after that the social media. Social media have the good qualities also, bad effect also. But mostly teenagers or youths adopting the bad habits, adopting the bad, like we can say bad types of mentality. So that type of effect.
Okay, as you just mentioned your point about the rituals, the many of the persons present who are just focusing on Facebook and many of the social media is present, and they're just clicking the photos in the rituals and they're just posting in the Facebook and Insta. But I just want to tell that, can you tell me, if they are just celebrating their festival and they're just clicking the photos, they're just posting, that not means they are just not giving the importance to the rituals. In fact, they're just giving the importance because they just wanted to show whole of the world, yeah, of course, we are just belonging to that caste, we are just belonging from that, like of course the religions, that's why just we are celebrating the festival and that's our importance. So how can you say that? Of course they just don't want to see that. In fact, if you're just telling that like about the when the people have the hesitation present about all the things, then I just want to tell that of course not, because the social media is the way like whose persons have a hesitation present that they just wanted to show in front of the public by the social media. I'm just taking the example of the many of the like singers and many of the celebrities. Just I'm taking the example about the like Darsan Raval, who is the singer. Then they just like after completing their whole the singing eras, they just posting the many of the songs in the YouTube, and after just they are just giving and they're just getting the many of the views. So that's why we just can say that of course it's the best way, and we just can't say that they're just getting the negative way. Of course not, because they have some positive ways present. In fact, there's a good thinking. Of course, if we just stop the YouTube and the Facebook, then we can do something. In fact, not only about the youth, now the generation, about the children, so all of they just get benefited by the social media. In fact, you can find that the most of the people are present, having seen the many of the videos in the YouTube, they just thinking that of course we have just nothing that present in our of course whatever we have activities present, that they just want to adopt this thing. Suppose that I'm just taking the example about the pronunciation. Okay, in that like many of the person present who are just seeing the foreigner person like American person, then they just want to adopt this thing. Of course we have not present that, then how can you adopt that? So they are just taking this things by the another person, by the another videos, and they're just getting and they're just learning both the things. So of course we can say that it's impact the good behavior on the human, and this whatever they're just taking, they're using, and they are just elaborating all the things whatever they have present. In fact, they're just showing the what's the quality and what's the activity present we have, and that's because of the social media.
Short.
Okay, at first I want to say about that what the difference of social media and social networks. Actually, social network connect the person, one person to other person, but social media is a thing which can share the contents. As like you said about that, the YouTube is a best example of the social media, and you also mentioned about that the celebrity. Then it's a good that for become a famous, it's a very helpful. Social media is very helpful, but one little bit in but mistake can spoil your whole life in social. If any bad or false news will come in favor of any celebrities, then at that time they can spoil their reputation within a second. So I think that it's a much more dangerous than the whatever you said about that the good thing. So I think that the social media is not a much better for the society or any personally a person.
Okay, but I'm not satisfied with you. As you have mentioned that because of social media, if a little bit mistake will happen, then our means if celebrity's life will be spoiled. Then I just wanna say you that if any fake news will be given by any person, then their account will be closed by government. Means immediately it is closed by government. You can't spread a rumor in any social site. And many of the means account many of the people's account closed also. And because of social media, means if any if anything happen in in our home, and we are suffering, means our parents means closer to us is suffering from any illness, then if we ask for social media for help, then they will immediately help us. And as Reena ma'am said that they will first click photo, then it is not right. Firstly they will help you, then after whatever they are showing or whatever not, that not matter they are helping or not. Means it is the site where people fear, means before the people fear that coming with their ideas, means their own content, that I will means whatever they have talent, but now they without fear they are showcasing their talent in front of public, and they are becoming famous. So I think that social media impact on human behavior and society is good.
I am not agree with you, because you are saying that firstly they are helping to the people and then after they are showing in the YouTube and social media. But whenever you are going in any accident place, first of all you will see that many of the people are first they are clicking the photos and videos, making videos and sending the social media. After that they are going for the helping the people. And if you see that in social media many types of you can see that in YouTube many type of bad videos are available, and human behavior, human are seeing that type of video and they are humorous to that video to each and every person, and that is the many people are showing that yeah, it's they are saying the good things, they are saying the good things, and their mentality they are prepared that if they are seeing that video it is good, then we are also see that video because it is good. But what is the fact behind that? We are not observe that it is a good or it is a bad. We are seeing that if the people are saying then it is true, but we have to see that type of things. It's social media is present, then we are able to see that is good or that is bad. In social media you can see if you are seeing that in Facebook many types of fake things is present, and people are not aware that it is good or it is bad. They are most of the time they are wasting they are wasting their times in social media. And if you know that nowadays people are always thinking about their phone. If they are sending message to anyone, if they are going for anywhere for the job, then also they are waiting for if they are replying or not. They are replying most of the time they are thinking of that type of things. You know that most of the people are interact with the social media and they can destroy their life. So it's not good for people.
I just think everywhere they present the two sides as the coin. As just you're mentioning that people they are not helping, they wanted to be only famous. The thing is, firstly here is the law that if you are just picking up any of the person in the accidental places, then you have to sign on the surety papers. But now in 2019 or 18, the Indian government had made the rules that if anyone they will just pick up these kinds of person. So for the surety papers, they are not bound to be signed. It's their own respect. That's for the reason now you can see people that easily they are helping. So I just think here the laws also matters. Second thing is that last time during the the pandemic, we had seen in the newspapers or in the social sites the small kids they were breaking their piggy banks and they were donating. So these kinds of things are inspiration not only to be the famous. If any person they are just doing any kinds of thing, Akshay Kumar if he is donating the 9,000 crore rupees to any soldier home, so these kinds of things what shows that yeah, what is present in our humanity if we are able to help any person. So obviously we should do. Many of the persons they are just doing protest against of the plastic ban learning about the pollution, about the environment. And you can find the most important thing about the education, our Indian youths, that you can find that always they used to be more confused, but now we are just getting our targets and each kinds of information. Of course the fake videos are present, but you can go about in their comment box, so also you can get them lots of the ideas. I just think today, if our education is not bored, if you are just thinking that William Shakespeare, any of the sonnets or novel, it can be bore for you, but now these are present as the movie. I'm a student of BA, and always I used to follow these kinds of things, and you can find you are getting as kinds of benefits. Like as always we are knowing that it is the 21st century, and in the ahead we'll just go with the AI, not the social media is our future. We'll have to adjust with that. Obviously there some negativeness are present, but we are able to control it. So I just think as soon we will we will support about the AI, so it will be more better for us.
No, I think impact of social media on human behavior on the society, it is not a good, because we find that in our country maximum 25 crore people they are the using the smartphone, and the 50 crore people they are the using they are means alert on the social media. But what happening, you are the saying that if there any accident cases are happening, then now generation people they are the helping after the 2080, because the main type of laws has come. But it is not right. We find that it shows that people they are not helping, only they are the clicking the pictures and they are uploading on the Facebook, on the Twitter, in the other social media platform, because they want that they in that area this kind of things has happened. If the any youths they are the uploading their pictures, then always they should think that how much likes has come, how much viewers has come. It is the changing the our behavior. Also they are the making the friendship as a technically, not emotionally. They are not attaching each other. You are saying that we are the getting the a main type of educations, as you said about the pronunciation. So miss, it is not right that I'm not saying that it is the bad, but if the reality, if we are not able to say in front of the friends, in front of our family member, so how can you say that on the social media very easily we can shows our talent? So I think that first of all we will have to make the friendship with our society, and but now generation people they are not thinking. They are only going on the upper that this is I'm doing, this is my picture, this is that thing is happening, but reality what happening, they have no any relation with the reality. So this type of changing are happening by the social media.
Yes, absolutely. Here we can't deny that the 80 to 85% of the people they are also connected with the internet, and you know a very amazing thing that all the people they are not that means uploading their pic as well as the video for getting the views. Actually many people they have also the one thought that in future how we will look. So I am thinking that here no doubt that the many people they are also making video as well as the picture for to become a famous. Actually they are also for doing any simple thing. Actually your team member had also mentioned one thing that if any accident will happen, then many body they are also clicking the selfie as well as the making the video. So here I want to tell you one thing, that where is the humanity? Actually humanity is not that for clicking the picture, for clicking the video, for getting to become a famous as well as for getting the like and the views. Actually this type of thing I hadn't seen. So I am thinking that I think most of the people they are also going for doing for that means giving the help, not for getting the that means clicking the picture as well as the video. Thank you.
Yeah, you are right that we can